Arkansas right now. Crazy is that? We're gonna get high in almost half a mile. For as few cars there were on this side of McKenzie, whatever this place is, mountain, it sure is people-y. It's like nobody parked down there on this side, but they have the resort or whatever on the other side, so I think people are just passing through. But super easy trail, pretty much driving straight to the top. And like a 0.5 hike to the peak. Not bad. Yeah, I wasn't ready for this. Hiked all last 2 days, essentially. Not all day, but wheeling, bouncing around, and now hiking a mountain. I mean, 2,700 feet isn't exactly, you know, Mount Everest, Mount Rainier, whatever's. But hey, there's a fork in the road. Hang on, let's bust out the map. Hang left, okay. I tell you what, sweet. Hiking mode on this thing does battery saver and everything, so you're using very little data. I like it a lot. But yeah, this is beautiful. We're pretty much at the top now. Yeah. There's more people up here. There's so many people. Why are the places that are people want to see all people-y? Unbelievable. This, not a trail. This is a trail. 0.5 trail. This is also trail. 0.7 trail. Trail to campground. This trail goes to lodge. This sign has a bunch of signs, but those signs go to trails. This sign, much bigger sign. This sign, still not a trail. Mountain sign. Elevation, 275. Highest point in Arkansas. I am also not a sign, but I will be going this way. 0.5 sign. So I've shown you guys these before, the geo surveys. Let's see if you can see that pretty good. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, so that's here at the highest point in Arkansas. Made it up to, I don't know how you say this, Mount Magazine? Mount Magazine. Signal Hill. Pretty cool. 2,753 feet. Even got one of these little boards up here that you can do all the things with. And then you have the mailbox. The mailbox. A lot of these high points have mailboxes, so you can write your name and stuff in the book, which I will do here in just a second. Super cool feature for a lot of the high points in the United States. Missouri doesn't have a mailbox. They really should have a mailbox. I mean, granted, it's not very high. It's like 1,000 feet lower than this, but whatever. Again, this place is pretty cool. You can pretty much just drive straight to the top. It's a very cool scenic view on the backside. There's a lodge and tons of cabins on the other side. You can drive all the way around and then drive down the mountain, drive up the mountain. Pretty cool place. I'd recommend it if you're ever able to come to in between the Ozarks and a Wichita mountain range. It's a pretty cool place out here. Yeah. So that's pretty much it for me. I'm just basically gonna get off the mountain and go home. It's like a 8-hour drive for me from here. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.